Welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan, and today I'm joined by a very special guest, Penrite Oils brand ambassador and motocross, supercross superstar Brett Metcalfe. Brett, great to have you with us. We're talking about Penrite Oils, such a well-known brand in Australia. Why do you love the brand so much?
Well, it's hard not to love an Australian-owned company. Penrite, everyone knows they're known for a better class of oil. That's their slogan, and it truly is. But not many people know that they make these incredible cleaning products as well.
So just run me through the cleaning products you use for yourself, for your race team, and for all the bikes that you guys ride.
Yeah, the products that we love the most are these ones here. This is a great cleaning product. It smells amazing. But since I've introduced these, I was always found it hard to get my kids to wash their own bikes. I got these, and now it's like they love washing it. And I told her, like, this is your toothbrush, make sure you floss, it's your spoke cleaner, clean the bike up really good. So they work great, and if you're having trouble getting your kids to wash their own bikes, get these and it'll be hands down no problem.
Make it again. If you ride it, you wash it. That's right. Hey?
That's the slogan, yeah.
And what else have we got in the range as well?
So we've got a great chain cleaner. I like it a lot because at the end of the Nationals you get a lot of grime in your chain, which slows up the wheel speed. So I always like to use the chain cleaner, give it a good once over, power wash it off, and then I just hit it with the chain lube at the end of it. And then you got the detailers here, which work really well, especially on not just motocross bikes, your road bikes, your Harleys, anything that you take on the street, those work fantastic.
Is there anything else you want to share with us about Penrite as a brand? I mean, I know you've been associated with them for a long time. Why is it so important?
Australian owned. Australian owned and made, it's quality. A lot of people nowadays seem to be afraid of Australian made stuff. You've got to have something overseas. You do not, especially in these products. They're so trusted. I trust it with myself, my own kids, and our race team.
Thanks, Brett. It's been great to have you with us. If you'd like any more information on the Penrite Oils cleaning range, head to your nearest AMX Superstore. Or of course, all the information is there for you on the website.